She was called by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and when she came, he said to her, somebody kindles a big fire and wants to throw your son into it, it will be recommended mercy for him. I will certainly do so, she replied. If it is so, then forgive his sin, said Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. At this she pardoned her son, and thereafter, when the young man was asked to recite kalima, he readily did so. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam thanked Almighty Allah that through his effort the man was saved from the fire of Jahannam. There are hundreds of cases like the one mentioned above, where the evil effect of the sins which we get involved with results in our worldly as well as spiritual loss. The worthy author of Ihya al-Ulum has related that once Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered a talk in which he said, one who recites La ilaha illallah in the manner that he does not mix it up, he becomes entitled to Jannah. Ali radiallahu anhu asked for the clarification of the meaning of mixing it up. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is to love the worldly life and go after it. And there are many who talk like the Anbiya, but act like the proud people and the tyrants. If one recites this kalima while not indulging in anything of the sort, he becomes entitled to Jannah. Hadith 5. Doors of Jannah open up for the reciter of La ilaha illallah. An Abi Hurairata qala sallallahu alayhi wasallam maqala abdun la ilaha illallahu illa futihat lahu abwabu sama'i hatta yufta'a. Tirmidhi narrated this. Okay. Abu Hurairah, God be pleased with him, reports that the Messenger of God, divine contact upon him in wholeness, said, there is nobody who may recite, there is no God except God, and the doors of the skies do not open to allow this word to reach the throne of God, provided he abstains from the major sins. The extreme acceptability and excellence of this kalima is proved by its going direct to the Arsh Allah. Throne of Allah. It has already been stated that its recitation, even with major sins, is not without benefit. Mullah Ali al-Qari Rahmatullah alayh says that the condition of being free from major sins is the key to quick acceptance and for the opening of all the doors of the skies. Otherwise, the recitation of the kalima is not without the reward and acceptance in spite of major sins. Some scholars have explained this hadith to mean that after the death of such a person, all the doors of the skies are open to welcome his soul. According to another hadith, 2 kalimas are such that one does not stop before reaching the throne of Allah, and the other fills the sky and earth with its light or reward. One is La ilaha illallah, and the other is Allahu Akbar.